Hi students, good morning to all. Last class continuation. Last class you have studied square root by prime factorization method. Now I will explain one new method, finding the square root of a number by long division method. The question is, find the square root of 576 by long division method. Okay, now you turn your book page number 30. Some of the steps is given in your book. You refer it first. Step 1. Group the digits in pair. Listen, 576. You group the digits in pair, starting with the digit in the unit place. So this is one of the pair. So group up, the pair up, you draw the bar line. Okay. Remaining number is that is remaining digit is called the period. This one period, this one pair. Okay. This after you start the prior procedure. Find out the long division of 576. This is one of the pair. Okay. And this is the period. So you take this 5 first. Think the largest number whose square is equal to just or just less than the first period. Okay. Use the square root table. 1 is 1. 2 2s are 4 and 3 3s are 9. So this nearest, that is this 5, this square is equal to just or just less than the first period. Which number? 2 2s are 4. Okay. So the quotient and the divisor is, you take that number. 2 2s are 4. So the quotient and the divisor is 2. Okay. Next step. 2 2s are, here you write it 4. Then find out the subtraction of this number. And the third step is you bring down 76 and write down to the right of the remainder. Okay, bring 76 down and write it down to the right of the remainder 1. Now the new dividend is 176. Okay, then fourth step, to find the new divisor. That before you multiply the quotient into 2. Any of the quotient is get it here, you should multiply it by 2. Okay, 2 2s are 4. So now the divisor is 4. Then step 5 is new divisor is followed by one of the digit. New divisor is followed by one of the digit. You should choose the digit next to 4 such the new quotient is multiplied by the new divisor will be less than or equal to 176. So here this like completed. 41 ones are, any number you take it here, that number into multiplied the same number by that number. 41 ones are 41. Again you multiply 2. This nearest you take 2, then multiplication also 2. 42 2s are 84. Again 43. Here you take it 3, then you should multiply the number into 3. 43 3s are 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12. Again 44 4s are 4 4s are 16, 1 4 4s are 16, 176. We get 176. Okay. So 44 4s are. Here also the divisor and dividend, here we should write 4. Okay. So this 44 4s are, we get 176. Remainder is 0. If we get the remainder is 0, this is the square root value. So square root of 576 is 24. Okay, this is the answer. Listen the next question. Find the square root of 2,88,369 by long division method. Find the square root of 2,88,369 by long division method. Already you know the steps. First you group the digits in pair, starting with the digit in the units place. So group the digits. Starting the unit place. This is one of the pair. This is one of the pair. This is also one of the pair. So totally 3 pairs. Take first 28. Use the square root table. How many times we get the square number for this 28? Take the nearest. nearest number. 5 5s are 25. Okay, 5 5s are 25, but 6 6 are 36. You take 5 5s are 25. Okay, find out the subtraction. Subtraction is 3. Again, you bring 83 down. Okay, bring down this 83. You multiply the quotient into 2. So, the number is 10. Now, the divisor is 10 followed by one of the digits and find out the quotient also. Okay. So, 10 into, write the next digit. Next digit is, see the number 383. This nearest number we want. Okay. So, if I take 3. 3 3s are 9. 0 into 3 is 0. 1 3 is 3. Then 104 into 4. 4 4s are 16. 1 4 is 4. 416. So, the nearest number is 103 into 3. So 103 into 3 is, we get 309. Find out the balance number. Take the subtraction. 13 minus 9. 13 minus 9 is 4. And here we get it 7. Okay, this number is 13. So 7 minus 0, 7. Again, bring down this 69. Multiply the quotient into 2. Again we find out the multiplication, the quotient into 2. 53 into 2 is 3 2s are 6, 5 2s are 10, 106. Followed by, find out the next digit. Okay, next digit we calculate it. So 106. See the end number 9. 9 is 3 3s are, we get 9. So take third table. Again any of the table. We get the last digit, we select that table also. Okay, so 9 is 3 3s are 9. Next 7 7s are 49. So I select 7. 7 49, write 9 and 4 is the balance. 6 7s are 42. 42 plus 4, 46. So 4 is the balance. Here 0. So I write 4. 1 7 is 7. So 1469. So 1067 7s are 7469. We get the balance is 0. If we get the balance is 0, so the square root value is 537. So square root of 2,88,369 is equal to 537. This is the answer. Okay, students. I will explain one more example sum. Example 1.27. Find the square root of, read the number, find the square root of 4,59,684 by long division method. First step. See the first step, group the numbers. Okay, with the digit in the units place. So group the digits in pair. This one also same method only. Previous sum method. Okay, group the pair. This is one of the pair. This one. Totally 3 pair. So we take now 45. 45. The nearest square number is 5 5s are 25, 6 6 are 36 and 7 7s are 49. So you should take 6 6 are 36. Find out the balance. Subtraction of this two number. 45 minus 36 is, what's the value? 45 minus 36. 9. Okay. So you bring down this 9 is 6. Find out the next divisor. So multiply the quotient into 2. 6 2s are 12. So the next divisor is 12, but you find out the next digit followed by what number, using this one and find out it. Okay. So 12, see the last digit 6. So 3 3s are 9, 2 2s are 4, 5 5s are 25, 9 9s are 81, 7 7s are 49, 8 8s are 64, or you write the nearest value. Maximum 996, so we write 4 4s are, first you check 4 4s are, okay. 4 4s are 16, 1 balance, 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1 9, this is 496. 125 into 5, 5 5s are 25, 2, so 2 here, 625. So 125 into 8 you take it. 128 into 8. 8 8s are 64, 6 balance, 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 6, 22, 2 balance, 1 8 is 8, 1024. So 127 7s are 49, 4 balance, 7 2s are 14 plus 1, 1 7 is 7, 7 plus 1 8. 889. So you take the new divisor is 7. Okay, so 127 7s are 889. We find out the subtraction of these two numbers. 16 minus 9. 16 minus 9 is 7. Here we get it 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. And 9 minus 8 is 107. Is the balance number. Again bring down this 84. Bring down 84. Find out the new divisor. Multiply the quotient into 2. So 67 into 2. 67 2s are. 7 2s are 14, 1 balance, 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 1, 31, 34. So 134 followed by, you find out the next digit. What digit is coming the next? We find out it. Okay. So 134. Here also we check the last number 4. 2 2s are 4. Again 8 8s are 64. Take 8. 8 8s are 64, 6, 8 4s are 32, 32 plus 6, 38, 3 balance, 8 3s are 24, 24 plus 3, 27, 2 balance, 1 8 is 8, 8 plus 2, we get the same number. So 1348, 8s are 10,784. So balance is 0, the square root of 4,59,684 is equal to 678. This is the answer. The same method we complete exercise to 1.4. Find out fifth question. Okay. Find the square root by prime factorization and find the square root by long division method. Already completed fifth question, so you complete sixth question. Exercise 1.4. Sixth question homework. Thank you, students.